In this video, I will introduce you to the new improved text-to-speech system in AntBible. To start speaking, open Options menu and from there tap Speak. Let's try speaking right away by tapping Play button.
The beginning of creation. In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. The earth was without form and void, and
as you can hear, AntBible produces sound effect before speaking the title, and text follows the speaking when we get to verse 2. Now playback is paused. If we want to continue where we left, we can tap Play button again. This means that even if you have been browsing other passages, it will start now playing from Genesis 1 verse 2 as you see next. Let's go to other book. And now we want to continue playback from where we left by clicking pause and play button.
The earth was without form and
because of synchronization, Bible View also returns to Genesis 1 verse 2. If you want to stop playback altogether, press Stop button. Now you can go to other Bible location and start playback from there. So let's go now to Exodus and start playback from there.
Israel increases greatly in Egypt.
Alright, let's go to speak settings and see them a little more. On this screen, you see some settings that can be adjusted to playback. That can be used to adjust playback. You can choose if you want to hear chapter change notifications, titles, and even footnotes. Each of these events produce also different sound effect, which helps you notice them from the ordinary text. You can also easily adjust speaking speed to your preference by using this slider. If you want, you can use sleep timer to schedule playback stopping after adjustable time. This is a nice feature if you want to listen to Bible before going to sleep. To control playback, you can use either transfer controls on this screen, transfer controls on Bible View, notification, or desktop widget. I will show you briefly how to use each of these. So transfer control on this screen we have been using already.
Israel increases greatly in Egypt.
Transfer control on Bible View.
Israel increases greatly in Egypt.
Notification. Notification is shown if the playback is paused or speaking.
Israel increases greatly in Egypt. These are the names of the sons of Israel.
Or desktop widget. We can create desktop widget on home screen like normally we do with desktop widgets. So we can start playback from there too.
Israel increases greatly in Egypt.
Alright, to learn about Speak bookmarking, which is very useful feature, see this video next. Thank you for using AntBible. Bye bye.